You've probably heard of Ethereum, Solana, and Bitcoin, but have you ever stopped to think about what actually makes these blockchains tick under the hood? Why can some blockchains handle thousands of transactions effortlessly, while others get clogged up and slow? The answer is something most people barely talk about: Layer 0. It's the hidden foundation of the blockchain world, and in 2025, it's quietly shaping the future of crypto. Stick with us, and we'll break down what Layer 0 really is, why it matters, and how it's helping the next generation of blockchains run faster, safer, and smarter. Let's start simple. If Layer 1 is the blockchain you know, like Ethereum or Solana, Layer 0 is like the foundation underneath all blockchains. Think of it like this. If blockchains are buildings, Layer 1 is the floors and rooms, Layer 2 is the elevators and escalators making things faster, and Layer 0, that's the solid ground, holding everything up. Layer 0 handles the core infrastructure, things like security, consensus, and even the ability for multiple blockchains to communicate with each other. Without it, blockchains would be slow, isolated, and harder to scale. Why is Layer 0 getting so much attention? Well, it solves some major headaches in crypto. Interoperability. Most blockchains can't talk to each other easily. Layer 0 protocols act as bridges, letting different networks share data and tokens seamlessly. Scalability. By separating the foundation from individual blockchains, Layer 1s can focus on processing transactions efficiently without worrying about security. That means faster networks and lower fees. Security. Layer 0 handles the consensus mechanism at the base level, so individual blockchains inherit strong security automatically. This prevents small blockchains from reinventing the wheel and from being easy targets for attacks. Basically, Layer 0 is the unsung hero that makes high-performance, multi-chain crypto ecosystems possible. Let's make this concrete with some real networks. Polkadot uses a central relay chain to connect multiple parachains. Think of it as a super secure hub where smaller blockchains plug in. Cosmos has the Inter-Blockchain Communication Protocol, or IBC, which allows different blockchains to send tokens and data to each other seamlessly. Avalanche allows developers to create custom blockchains with shared security and high throughput. With over 4,000 blockchains globally today, Layer 0 is what allows these networks to connect and operate efficiently without chaos. That's why people call it the foundation of next-generation blockchains. These Layer 0 networks are building what some call the Internet of blockchains. They let different networks coexist, communicate, and scale efficiently, a huge step forward from isolated blockchains that can't interact. So while most users never interact with Layer 0 directly, it's what makes all the other layers run smoother, faster, and more securely. In 2026, Layer 0 is more important than ever. Crypto is growing fast, and networks need to scale without compromising security. That's exactly what Layer 0 delivers. It's the foundation that holds everything together. Here's what it makes possible. Multiple blockchains communicating seamlessly. Layer 0 acts like a universal translator. Cross-chain DeFi platforms, NFT ecosystems, and gaming blockchains can all interact without relying on risky bridges. Developers building custom blockchains fast. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. Layer 0 provides security, consensus, and connectivity. Developers can focus on making chains faster, more private, or optimized for specific use cases. Faster, cheaper, safer transactions for users. By handling consensus and security at the base layer, Layer 0 reduces congestion and fees while improving overall network safety. If this video helped you understand Layer 0, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below. Have you explored Layer 0 networks yet? Which ones do you find most exciting? Let's talk about it. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious about crypto.